Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at YEARN.finance or YFI. YFI is currently at the $9,604 level. We are currently ranked at 241 with a market cap of about $319 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $90 million. And today we are going to be looking at what is our weekly bull market update right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So in the last 1 week, YFI is down about 5%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we basically are on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the weekly time frame. Binance is the data source, right? So YFI right here, what that was launched in 2020, we have this sort of history of sort of immediate or quick push to the upside, quick push to the downside right here. And as you can see, another massive run up. Same thing right here. We saw this sort of massive run down. We basically have been in the bear market, huge selling out of our YFI going forward. And then we saw YFI bottom at around that $5,000 level, consolidated for a long time. And then we saw this sort of huge wick that happened right here, push into that $16,000 level. And then we saw this sort of massive dump, especially, you know what happened with the hack, right? But we continue to believe and become bullish right here on YFI, especially because that we were seeing YFI push above these bull market EME on the weekly. We were seeing this was a massive shine, showing that we probably could just see some sort of huge, massive breakout for YFI to the upside, as YFI looks very primed for something like that, right? We usually see this sort of after some sort of consolidation, see this sort of just massive push to the upside, like we saw in October, where we saw in at least a week, we saw the price push from 5,000 into 15,000 or 16,000, right? So we are primed for something like that, as if we basically just look at the weekly price prediction based on Fibonacci, right? As you can see, we are primed for just some sort of massive push into that $25,000 level. At the $25,000 level is the 0.236. That is our first target right here for YFI, and YFI has been in this massive consolidation, primed for some sort of explosive move into this $25,000 level, right? That could mean we could see YFI have a push of about 159%. So we continue to remain bullish, expecting that sort of explosive push right here for YFI going forward. If we just basically look at the volume profile, as you can see, the volume profile mirroring, telling us that we still are in this sort of consolidation right here for YFI, but we are priming for something massive. As you can see, massive volume still coming in, momentum still in favor of the bull. So basically, as you can see, it's just primed for some sort of massive push to the upside. So basically, that's our update for this week right here for YFI. We continue to remain bullish, expecting higher price targets. And so if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.